I'm going to start this video off by saying I hope you are all having a wonderful day. I'm trying to skip out that "hey guys" because it's kind of annoying and it kind of drives me nuts sometimes, so I'm not doing it anymore. So I'm going to start out by saying I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Anyway, the reason why I'm doing this video today is because I got my Ipsy bag this month right here. It's a pretty little bag. Everybody knows basically that it's $10 a month. You get 5 items. I know in December they gave 6 items, but I did not receive my bag in December. I skipped a few months because I didn't have the money because of Christmas and whatever else. So anyway, get past all that. So yeah, this is my bag. This is this month's bag. I did receive 5 items. My first item being a brush. This is by Billion Dollar Brushes right here. It's a foundation brush. I don't tend to use these, so I am actually going to put this aside for a giveaway. I don't use the flat paddle brushes like that in any way for foundation. I'd rather just use my sponge or put it on my fingers and use the sponge or a regular flat top brush or something like that. So that's going to be set aside. The next item I got was the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation right here. And I got that in the shade medium beige. I'm actually wearing it right now. I'm going to insert a clip right now of me putting it on. You can see how easy it was to blend. It is like a soft matte. It's a beautiful color, a perfect match for me, which surprised the heck out of me with Ipsy. They never really give a perfect match. So I'm going to insert that clip right now. This is definitely a full coverage foundation. I really do like it. It is pretty matte. So I'm trying to look at my mirror that's behind you guys. I mean, it's like a soft matte. Like, if you like the Fenty foundation, you'll like this one. So, the next thing I got in my bag was the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I can't really show this right now because, you know, I'd have to wash my face right now, and I'm in front of my desk, not my bathroom. So, anybody who saw any of the bigger beauty influencers do any kind of facial skincare routine thing, you'll see them using this. I personally have never used this. I've used different versions of this from different companies, but I have not yet used this one. So I can actually use this tonight and put in the description box. I can edit that and say, you know, if it was good, if it wasn't, what happened, how long it took, whatever else. So that was my next item. So that's number 3. The 4th item I got was a Luna by Luna highlighter right here. I don't know why I tried to show, it's going to glare. This is in the shade Electra. And I'll swatch that for you real quick if I can get it open. I'm wearing it right here. You can see it there on my nose. A little bit right here. That's about it. It's a pretty shade. It actually goes a little silver. Like it's pink with a silver fleck. Let's see if we can get it right there. There you go. So that's the shade right there. And like I said, I'm wearing it there. So it does complement my skin tone, but I wish it had more of a golden undertone as opposed to the silver that it has. But for Ipsy, I mean, that's a good match for my skin. And the last thing I got was the Fluid lip gloss in the shade Elsewhere, which is really not a shade. I mean, it does have the slightest blue hue to it, but nothing that shows up on your lips. You can see here that the bottle is clear where the air bubble is, and that's actually the gloss that is blue. So that was my last item. And again, I'm wearing it now. I made sure I put everything on my face so you can see how it looks. I really like the foundation. I think it's awesome. The highlighter's not bad. I think I might try it as an eyeshadow also. Lip gloss I like. It kind of has like a rubbery feel to it. Not sticky or tacky, but almost like my lips are coated in like latex. So that's something to think about. I'm going to have to look into the ingredients to see if maybe there is latex in this somehow. Because if so, that's going to be a problem because I do have a slight allergy. Nothing yet, so I'll let you know. And yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would check into my channel every once in a while. If you are not subscribed already, maybe subscribe because I do have another giveaway coming up. I'm going out to go shopping soon to pick up the rest of the items, but I have a few here already that are going to be put into it, so... and for all my subscribers already, just, you know, watch, because I'm not going to label the video giveaway, because I've done that before, and I feel like a lot of people just come in for the giveaway and then unsubscribe, and it's kind of rude. So, yeah, I'm just going to make sure I slip it into a regular video that I do, so just stay tuned, alright? Hope everybody enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.